Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We have Raymond here, and we have Raymond's mom here. I'm here, hi. And today we are going to make a somewhere over the rainbow. It's kind of just like a craft that I kind of made up. It's gonna consist of this mirror here, and what you'll need for this craft is the mirror. I got it at Dollar Tree. It's made like a cloud. You will need paint. I also got the paint at Dollar Tree. This is the name of the paint, and we got it in all colors. And for this craft, you will also need crepe paper. This is just regular old streamers that we use at a party. So Ray's gonna sit down and get started. Yeah, so we're gonna make our craft now. So Ray is first going to start off by... Very cute, Ray. Ray's gonna start off first by painting the mirror. So we got our paintbrushes as well from Dollar Tree. Here, Ray, sit down. We're ready to get started. So I'm gonna put them all here. Ray, you're gonna paint the mirror, okay? And you might wanna paint along the sides where the white is. Here, Ray, you're gonna paint the mirror. Good job. You can paint it whatever you want. And like I said, guys, this craft, I just kind of got it. I kind of made it up myself. And again, the name of it is going to be Somewhere Over the Rainbow. And I just kind of made this craft up. And then at the end, we are going to add our crepe paper at the bottom to make a rainbow. Ray, can you go on and finish up your painting? Painting the mirror, and once again we got all of our supplies from the Dollar Tree. Now he's adding a little pink to the mirror. Remember, this is just a mirror shaped like a cloud, and now he's adding a little pink to it. So kids, you can have whatever, you can paint your mirror however you want to paint it. It's really up to you, okay? Okay, so as soon as Ray is done, I'm gonna take this craft glue here, and we're gonna glue on the crepe paper at the bottom to make a rainbow. Now, it might be a little bit messy. I guess I didn't think about that. So you wanna allow the mirror to dry before you add your crepe paper. Now he's painting in the mirror, which is just fine. Painting in the mirror. Then we're gonna let this dry. Yeah, turbo fast on DVD. That's right, Ray. All right. Well, what we're gonna do is, so what Ray did is he painted in the entire cloud, and like I said, you can paint it in if you want or not. Then we're gonna allow our painting to dry. We're gonna allow our paint to dry, and then we're gonna add our crepe paper. I just cut out strips using this wood glue that we also got from Dollar Tree. Okay, so Ray looks like he's finished because he's painting on the paper now. So I'm gonna take wood glue. Let me move my camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. Again, I didn't get this out of a book or anything. This is just something I made up. Sometimes I make up crafts, okay? So he didn't put any paint on this side of the No, Ray, it's okay. It's okay. I was just gonna show them where to put the glue. So you want to put some glue here at the bottom, just enough to add your crepe paper. So then you take your strips of crepe paper and you just add it to the glue. Now you are gonna want to wait until everything dries in order for this to turn out right. We have to add each piece, and you want to add all the different colors like this, and here you are. You have your... Okay, everyone, we're finished with the craft. Ray, if you want to go on and tell everyone bye.
Bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
And
Thanks for watching.